Hello students, welcome to the session. So today's topic for the session is distance formula from your chapter coordinate geometry. So we will discuss how to find the distance between the two coordinates between the 2 points. Okay. So here you will be given coordinates like 2 comma 3 and b is equals to like minus 1 comma 5. Okay. Somewhere it will be in the graph system 2 comma 3 will be somewhere here like this, and minus 1 comma 5 will be something minus 1 comma 5 here. So minus 1 comma 5, this point will be your minus 1 comma 5 and this point will be your 2 comma 3. Now they will ask you to find the distance between these 2 points. Okay, so for this we have one formula, and that is called your distance formula between 2 points. Okay, and it is your, so let us suppose, take the general version. So let us suppose we have 2 points x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. So we are taking coordinates like this x1 y1 and x2 y2. They are not particular formula, the particular points. So we are taking in general. So the distance between these 2 points p and q will be written like this, p q, and it will be written as x2 minus x1 square, x2 minus x1 square, one second, x2 minus x, x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. This will give the distance between these 2 points. Anywhere the point lies in your Cartesian plane, you can find the distance using this method by distance formula. So in this we have taken the points 2 comma 3 and minus 1 comma 5. Let us calculate the distance between these 2 points. And see, always the distance will be in positive. Okay, since the distance, this is a measurement, so it will be your always positive. It should come, you should write your answer in the positive number. Okay, so we will calculate here the distance between 2 comma 3 and minus 1 comma 5. So what will we do here? So let us treat your coordinate, your x1 y1. So we have to first find out what is my x1, what is my y1, and what is my x2, and what is my y2. Okay, so first of all we should know what is our x1 y1 x2 y2 values. So x2 minus x1 means your x2 here is minus 1, x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1, and your x1 is here my 2. So x2 minus 1, in between minus is there, and x1 is 2. So this is square plus y2 means 5, y2 means 5 minus y1 minus 3 square. So it will be your minus 1 minus 2, that is your minus 3 square, minus 3 square will be your 9 plus 5 minus 3 will be your 2 square, it is your 4. So it will be written as square root of 13. This is your square unit. So since it is your distance, so it will always be your positive number. Okay, so in this way we have to find the distance between 2 points. This is your distance formula. So there are many applications using this. Okay, so let us take another example, a plus b comma a minus b, and another point is your a minus b and minus a minus b. So we have to find the distance between this r and s points. So one point is r, one point is s, so we have to calculate the distance. So using distance formula, using your distance formula, first we should write our formula. What is our distance formula is, it is x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So here, so my first point, let us take this x1 and this is y1, and let us take this is x2 and this is y2. Okay, for our convenience we have assumed it. You can, there is no specific rule that you can let always x1 y1 here. You can let your x2 y2, and conversely you can let here x1 y1. So here x2 minus x1 means a minus b minus of, what is your x1 value, a plus b, so it will be a square plus What is your y2 here? It is your minus a minus b. Okay, minus, put your y1 value. Since be clear that your outside value is minus and inside value is also, it has a minus component, so we have to be write it carefully. So it will be written like this. So this represents your x2 minus x1 area, and this represents your y2 minus y1 area. Okay, so we will now solve this. This is your a minus b, and this will be, open the bracket, it will be written as minus a minus b whole square, plus, and it will be written as a minus b minus a plus b whole square. Okay, opening the bracket. So cancel it. A to a gets cancelled and b to b get cancelled. So we will have minus b, that is minus 2b square, and it is your minus a means minus 2a square. Okay, so it will be written as 4b square plus 4a square. Okay, so one thing is that, in 4 is common here. Okay, so what is common here? 4. So we will take the 4 as like this, 4 of, or we can write like this, a square plus b square. Now square root of this whole term, we have to write the square root of this term, square root of 4, and since they are in multiplication, see, since they are in multiplication, what we will, continuing here. So square root of 4, they are in multiplication, I can write it separately like square root of 4 into square root of a square plus b square, and the square root of 4 is always 2, so its answer is twice of under root a square plus b square. So in this way they can ask a question to calculate the points between, calculate the distance between the 2 points, and they can give values like, in variables also they can give values like in trigonometric form, tan theta, sin theta, cos theta also. So they will ask you to calculate the distance. So it depends on the complexity of the exam level. So be prepared for each type of question. So this is your distance formula. So I hope you understood this method. If you have any doubt, you can ask me through my Urban Pro profile app. Till then, revise, and let's meet in the next session. Thank you.